Okay guys, hello, I'm behind the camera. This is the result of one of our bird feeders. So, I glued it. Yes, it looks a sight, and I hope the glue is not going to hurt the birds. I don't know. But anyway, I've got it glued on the bottom, the string, all the way across and to the side here. This will be hung up in a tree. This is where I'm going to put the bird seed all around. And then we're going to put water in this so they'll have water to drink. It'll be like a little small bird bath they can bathe in and play in. And then, let me unplug this so I can bring y'all over here and show y'all the other one. Oh, that we made. So, the bowl is not part of it. This will be hung in a tree. And as you can see, it's inside. That's a toilet paper roll. And I put honey on it. And then I've rolled it all in the bird seed and got bird seed stuck all over it. And that will be another little one that will hang up in the tree, hopefully. And I'm going to have hubby, when he comes home this evening, to hang it up, that tree, out the window right there. And those branches, and hang them down right there so we can look out the window and see them and watch them. And I'm probably going to add on to this showing hubby hanging them up. And then I'll keep y'all updated on it. And let you know if any birds come or not. I know this ain't spring, this is fall, and then soon be winter, but they have winter birds, don't they? And every time I go outside, I always hear a lot of birds singing and chirping and whistling. So I feel like that some will find it and come. And if they don't, oh well, it's okay. At least I tried. I just hope Gracie won't be too disappointed about it. Alrighty. That's all I have for you for now. So I'll see y'all later to the next clip. Alright guys, I had to re-glue some stuff for us to get it hung up right. But there is that one. We just got it hung up. So I'm going to come in close. Got glue strings hanging from the bottom of it. We've got seed all in the bottom. Well, not. I may have to bring some more seed out here too. It is hanging a little crooked. But I'm going to put water in that part. And then this one is right there. Right there. So I'm going to put more seed in it and get some water out here. And we will see if this works. I will keep y'all updated. Alright. Thank you, hubby. Toodaloo!